All right, everyone. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Want to do a short little quick video and talk to you guys about some of the things that I keep in on my bike for just little repairs. Things happen, you know, if you're out on the road and all, and so I'll pull this out and show y'all a couple things. So first thing, you know, of course, there's my new riding gloves. These are my thrashing supply gloves. Just got them in, so I like them pretty well so far. I've only been able to ride with them a few times, but they fit well and they seem to be really high quality, so I do like them. I do keep a spare set of gloves on my bike, and just in case I was to get in rain or something and the ones that I have on get soggy and wet, I can switch them over and put some dry gloves on if I dry out. So a couple things. So one of the things I have is a stop and go tubeless puncture repair kit. So it's a little tire repair kit. It comes with a little air compressor with a gauge and all that on it. So what I'll do is I'll kind of do a little quick opening and kind of show y'all what it is, what it comes with, and y'all can go from there. Then I have this NOCO jump starter. So it's a battery power pack that I can jump a motorcycle off I've actually jumped the truck off with it. So it does pretty good. I'll open that up too, let y'all guys and ladies look at that. And then when I bought my GoPro, it came with this little box right here, and I'll open it up and show you guys what I have in there on it, and go from there. So I'll put a couple of these things down. Excuse me, I'm just wearing my flip-flops out here right now. I'll put these on the table. In this saddlebag, as you see, I carry a clear face shield for my helmet in case I end up riding longer and get out at night. I have in here, I've got some rain gear inside of this. And this here is my cover for my breather. And inside, I just got this little pad right here. I got it when I got the bike. So I have that. Up here toward the front of my bike, I do got in here, I got the little plug-in right there for the phone, for my Apple CarPlay. And this side, got a little pair of earplugs. I got a face helmet, a little bitty Phillips screwdriver in there I can use for my GoPros, and then I got a couple pills in there for headaches and all. So, but anyway, just wanted to take a minute and show you guys what I got, and I'll go ahead and start opening some of this stuff up and just kind of give you all a quick rundown of what I have. Let's go ahead and start with this. So stop and go tubeless puncture pilot repair kit. So what this is, it comes with some plugs. It comes with a reamer, a little pointed tool to be able to help dig stuff out, get it started. It comes with your reamer, and then this little tool here. And you know, what you do is you put all this together, and you put your plug inside here, you screw your piece in, you shove this down through there, and then you actually use this little Allen wrench right here, and there's a nut right here in the back of this. You tighten down, and it actually pushes your plug inside, so it helps seal it off. So with that, that's how I use that. I haven't had to use it, so I do got the instructions in here, so I'll go there. It's got this little air compressor, so this is not something fast. It's not going to air it up like you would think, but you can plug it in. Right now, this will actually plug into my bike, or I've got an adapter on my that I can plug in here and hook it right to a battery itself. But I've got the little adapter on my bike. Let's see. They package these things up in a way that ain't very much room for anything else. Alright, so this is my little Noco battery jump start. I actually have used this to jump a truck off. Got a couple little adapters in there. You turn it on. It's got an in and an out. So if you want to charge it, you can put in here. If you want to, when you come out with it, you got a USB out there, so you can use it to charge other things. And then it's got the spot right here that your jumper cable part goes to. So it plugs in there, and then you just hook, you know, red to positive, black to negative. So again, I've only used it once and it worked flawlessly. Jumped the truck off a full-size truck like it wasn't nothing. Now this is a GoPro case that came with the GoPro that, oh god, I actually made me a little tool kit out of it. So in this is just got a bunch of little sockets and things in there. I've got some bits and all in this. Got a little small Allen key set. We got a ratchet. I've just got some cheap little wrenches in here. Got a little crescent wrench, a pair of pliers. Got some screw bits in there, and I also can use this as a ratchet, you know, to loosen or tighten. I've got an adapter to fit some of my sockets and all in there, but this is a small toolkit. You're not going to rebuild your bike on the side of the road with this kit. Also, I have just a few wire ties to be able to wire tie some stuff up if I need to. I do got a few bungee cords I just bought. I'm gonna probably break down and throw a couple of them in there. But other than that, that's really what I got and what I carry on my bike. If anyone has other ideas or things, I am gonna start carrying a little small first aid kit. I've actually got one. I just got to put it in the bag. But I think, you know, for a tire repair, to be able to jump this off the bike, or even, you know, be able to use it to charge something up if I need to, and then my small little tool set, I think that that's really what you need to have. If there's other things that you guys recommend out there, please let me know. But other than that, this is my 2021 Road Glide Special. Just do a quick little walk around of it, and I did ride it the other day. I do gotta give it a bath again, but this is it. So anyway, not gonna make the video too long, but hope everyone has a great day. Thanks.